What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell button so YouTube can notify you when I upload another video. But in today's video, I am very excited to share this moment with you guys. As you guys know, Christmas is around the corner, so me and my husband decided to buy a Christmas tree and Christmas decorations to decorate our room. And this is my baby's first Christmas, so why not make it special for him? So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Guess who's awake? Good morning. Hello, baby. It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. He was taking a nap. He actually woke up today at what time, babe?
Around
like 6 in the morning, so it's actually his nap time. And he has all of his toys in here. They were all in this corner because I like to keep them there. And he kicks, as you guys can see. He was so happy. You're so happy, Baba? Yes? Yes? Say hello, YouTube. Hello, YouTube. Oh, you're so cute, Baba. I love you. I love you. Alright, you guys, let me go ahead and show you guys the OOTD of today. So this bodysuit is from Luna's Boutique and it's still available on our website. This is our Roxy bodysuit, and then some joggers that I got so long ago from Forever 21. And my cute slippers from Target. I was very excited when I found these actually at Target for only $10 because I've been seeing them around Amazon and a lot on TikTok of people recommending these, but they're like $30 on Amazon, and I was not gonna spend $30 on some slippers. So when I found these, I'm pretty sure these are little girls because they are the mark Cat and Jack, and I know I've only seen that brand on baby stuff, but it doesn't matter. I got them in a size medium large and they fit super cute. And I need to go get some more colors because I think these are so cute to be around the house. You look cute in fashion. So that is today's OOTD. What is this? Oh my god, it's my tag. But that is today's OOTD. And my hubby right here looking cute. Oh yeah.
Not the camera guy.
No, stop. But you look cute.
Usually behind the camera.
Yeah. And it's time to get him dressed up. Let's get dressed up so we can decorate the Christmas tree. Yes? Yes? And let's go, Baba. Let's go. Alright, let's go get him dressed up. And he's all ready. Yay, Baba, you're all ready? Yes, so this is his outfit of the day. Oh my goodness. He's already starting to do this, you guys. I feel so sad. He's growing up so quick. So his onesies from Target. Everything is from Target, from up and down, including his diapers, because mommy loves Target. Mommy loves Target. Yes. You're so cute, Baba. Alright, jumping into the Christmas decorations. So we actually got everything at Michael's because Michael's was having a 30% off sale on every Christmas decorations. So this is the tree that we got. It's a really small one, but it actually has like white snow on it, and that's what we wanted. And it already comes with lights, so even better. Although I really wanted the lights to be white, but they didn't have the option, so this is what we got, and I still love it. Actually, my husband actually wanted this Christmas tree. We always go with the regular you know, normal green Christmas tree, but why not mix it up this year? And this is the Christmas ornaments that we got. Since our room already has like tan colors, more of an aesthetic look, we wanted to continue the look, and this is what we got close to our bed. I could have sworn this color right here is rose gold. It looks rose gold to me in the sun, but everyone kept saying that it's gold, so I just kept the colors. And if it is rose gold, who cares? I mean, it is what it is. I cannot find other ornaments that will be close to our aesthetic colors, so I just kept this one. And then we went back the next day because one of the workers there, I hope she doesn't get in trouble, but I don't know her name anyways, She told us that the next day they were gonna be 40% off holiday decorations. So we went back and we got a steal, you guys. Let me go ahead and open these up. So I went ahead and took them out of their bags. So first things first, I got this star. I think it's really cute, but now that I'm looking at it, it looks kind of big for the tree, but it's alright, we'll make it work. So this retailed for $24.99, and I believe that we got this for only $12. And then we got this candle right here. I really like the way it is decorated, and it smells like vanilla. Not my favorite kind of scent, but I really like the decoration of it. And as you can see, we got a candle for the fall season, so why not get one for the Christmas season? And this retailed for $12.99, I believe. Let me double check. Yeah, $12.99, and we only got it for $3, which is amazing. So I wanted to get another one, but as you guys can see right here, we barely even use the candles, so one is enough for at the moment. So we went ahead and got this 3 little trees right here. As you guys can see, we decorated with these little pumpkins also for the fall, and so I decided why not get some Christmas trees to put right there. And this retails for $19.99, and we only got it for $9.99, which is amazing because I saw that at Bath and Body Works they're selling these yarn trees for like $20, only for one, I believe. And no, the next thing we got was a tree skirt, and this one came out to $14.99, and we only got it for $2, which is amazing. And it's meant for the small Christmas trees, and it's going with the whole white, and then the ornaments is the tan color for our room decoration. And then moving on here, of course, is the ornament holder. And then we got this ornament specifically for a Christmas tree, since it is me and my husband and my baby's first Christmas as a family. We decided that we want to take a picture for the holidays and then put it up on our Christmas tree, which is really cute, something new. So yeah, so we got this, and then we went ahead and got some Christmas lights to put around our window, since usually that's the only thing that I used to do to decorate my room, but why not just keep it going. And then the last item that we got are this, what would you call this? I wouldn't know what this is called. It's like a bush, I don't know how you say that. Anyway, so we went ahead and got this to put up right here in our vase. So we got this fall ones, and why not change it up with this white ones for the Christmas decoration. But yeah, so that is what we got at Michael's. I mean, this was such an amazing deal. I think in total we ended up only spending $80 in total. Such a great steal. So that is our decoration, and let's go ahead and get started. now it's time for a coffee break because honestly this tree was too much. But we're gonna come back to our Christmas tree because me and my husband decided that we want to go to the Disney store and buy some Disney ornaments for our Christmas tree. But let's go ahead and finish off and decorate the dresser. Let me go ahead and put you guys down. Went ahead and changed because like I said, we decided to go to the mall and go to the Disney store to buy some ornaments. So this is my new outfit. I'm wearing my Toby jeans and still wearing my Roxy bodysuit, and I just paired it up with this flannel that I got so long ago from Urban Outfitters, and I just paired it up with Converse. These are my favorite shoes, by the way. I love to wear these with majority of my outfits. But yeah, so this is the outfit of the day number 2. Alright you guys, so we are finally home. So I only recorded a little bit at the mall because the camera's actually dying and I didn't want it to fully die. But we got our ornaments and I'm very excited to show you guys which one we chose. So let's go ahead. So we ended up buying a tote bag at Disney. The lady ended up selling it to us after we told her no like 3 times, but whatever. So we're gonna go inside. So here's one. Oh no, it's flashing. That's going to die. Let me do this quick. And then 3. These are the cute ornaments that we ended up getting. I think this is so adorable and cute for our first Christmas tree. And they were only $15 each. I know it's kind of pricey, but I think they're so cute. Now let's go ahead and put them on our tree. Alright you guys, so I charged the camera a little bit for it to last long until we end the video, but we are going to hang up the ornaments already. I'm really excited. Alright, put the camera please. So I have the ornaments here and I'll start with myself first. So let me just grab mine. And I think I'm going to hang it. Where should I hang it? I guess I'm gonna hang it right here. Turn on the little light. Oh yay! So cute! Alright. Now let's go with my baby. Now you're filming my breath.
I can't see what I'm filming.
It's his turn. Let me see how it goes. It goes like this. Ooh, where do you want to put it at, Papa? Should we put it right here? Right here? Yay! Right here! Look it! This is yours! It's Toy Story! No? You like the other one? Alright. It's okay. Oh, you like the tree? Let's get you away before you drop the whole tree. Yay! And now it's my hubby. Ooh. Yum. Oops. Okay.
Alright.
Now it's his turn. Where do you want to put it?
Put it
You
right
cannot
here
up
now.
top mine.
I guess here.
Alrighty.
Fine, I really hope it's not so heavy.
Is it?
I think so. I think it's a little heavy. Let me put it more back before I drop the entire tree. I think it should be fine.
Oh, yay. So this is our Christmas tree, you guys. So cute. Let's do it in a cute slow motion. We're gonna add lights around here in 3, 2. Alright, you guys, so this is it. I am super excited with the way that it came out. Now it's looking like a holiday spirit, but this is our Christmas tree, and then this is it for the dresser. Super simple. I don't like to have a lot of things in my dresser, but this is it. And this is it for the top shelf. Fun fact, me and my husband are obsessed with The Office, so why not include some Funkos of The Office, of course, in our Christmas theme. But I am super excited for it to be dark so we can enjoy all of this lights. Alright, you guys, so this is it for today's video. I am very happy with the outcome of us decorating our bedroom, and I really hope it inspired you guys to decorate for yours. I mean, it's never too early to decorate for Christmas, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the bell button so YouTube can notify you when I upload another video. And off to go watch a movie.